Is high cholesterol creating a shadow over your health? It's an issue that has become alarmingly common in today's fast-paced, convenience-driven world. But fret not. Today we delve into a step-by-step guide on how to naturally reduce bad cholesterol and reclaim your health. Step 1. Shift your plate. It's time to take a good look at what's on your plate. Incorporate more fruits, vegetables, lean meats, and whole grains into your diet. Foods rich in soluble fiber, like oats, can help lower your bad cholesterol. Step 2. Say yes to healthy fats. Not all fats are created equal. Replace saturated fats found in red meat and dairy products with healthier monounsaturated fats found in olive oil, canola oil, and avocados. They can help reduce your levels of bad cholesterol and increase the good cholesterol. Step 3. Move your body. Physical activity is key. Aim for at least 30 minutes of exercise a day. It could be a brisk walk, a swim, or even a dance class. Regular physical activity can help raise high-density lipoprotein, the good cholesterol, while lowering the low-density lipoprotein, the bad cholesterol. Step 4. Limit your intake of cholesterol. Foods from animal sources such as meat and dairy products are high in cholesterol. Opt for plant-based alternatives whenever possible. Step 5. Quit smoking and limit alcohol intake. If you smoke, stop. Quitting might improve your good cholesterol level, and while you're at it, limit your alcohol intake. While moderate alcohol use can potentially increase your good cholesterol, too much can lead to serious health problems. Step 6. Maintain a healthy weight. Extra pounds contribute to high cholesterol. Losing as little as 5 to 10% of your body weight can significantly reduce cholesterol levels. To sum it all up, combating high cholesterol is a long-term commitment. It's about shifting your plate towards healthier options, embracing good fats, moving your body, limiting cholesterol intake, quitting smoking, limiting alcohol, and maintaining a healthy weight. By following these steps, you can naturally reduce your bad cholesterol and stride confidently towards a healthier life. Remember, the journey to health is not a sprint, but a marathon. Every step you take towards a healthier lifestyle is a victory in itself, so take that step today.